Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how you can change the name on your iPhone. Okay, the first thing to do is to open the app Settings. And go down to General. And select the word About. Select the current name of your device. Here I change to my iPhone 8. And that's it. Good luck!
Thank you for watching this video. If you got the help you were looking for, thumbs up. And if you want to have more help in the future, then subscribe to this channel and you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.